Hello everyone, this is Chef Jitendra Nakwa. Today I'll be showing you a different recipe, which is curried chicken sandwich in a croissant bread. I'll show you how to cut the croissant. So this is a croissant bread which is easily available, so just so I'm going to show you how to toast the croissant. We can just toast it in the pan. Just need a golden brown color. We'll do the mixing part now. So for mixing we need chicken, good amount of chicken, sliced onion, cilantro, which is coriander, good amount of mayonnaise, mustard, curry powder. It's very important. Egg whites, salt, and pepper. We'll assemble the sandwich. Just a croissant, with iceberg lettuce, I'm going to top it up with the mixture. Spread it evenly. Top with up cheese. So I'm going to cut the croissant sandwich right now. So we are ready with our curried chicken sandwich.